open the P tag where I want to add the paragraph from the 11th line. Now cut the paragraph starting with "It is your responsibility" inside this tag below and paste it in the 12th line. Let's see if the element selector we have just created is working. Now click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. The size of the letter of the paragraph we entered has changed like this. Now I go back to the style.css page. Let's change the color of the letter in the first line of the paragraph entered in this way. From the 13th line, I type P2 colon first dash line and enter curly brackets. From the 14th line, the code needed to change the color of the letter is given like this. Now click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. Look, the color of the letters in the first line of the paragraph we entered has changed in this way. When the paragraph is selected in this way, we can change this code so that the color of the letter and the letters are highlighted. Now I go back to the style.css page. Now in the 16th line, I enter 2 colons and give as selection. Now open curly brackets and use the color of the letters in the 17th line as red. In the 18th row, the background color of the selected letters is changed to yellow. Now when we select a letter or a sentence on this page, the letter will be red and the background color of the letters will be yellow. Let's see the output of this change now. Now click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. This is how I select the paragraph we entered. Now look at the selected section. The color of the letters and the background color of the letters have changed, right? Well, now I come back to the index page and open an H2 tag in the 14th line and enter a title. I entered the title "Wash your hands" colon in the 15th line. Now let's see how this title is displayed. Now click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. Since this title is inside the div tag called div image, this title is also centered. But the letters don't have a color, right? Now let's add a color to the letters of this title. I go back to the style.css page. I apply .div-img and put a greater than sign in the 20th line and type H2. Now change the color of the letters in this way in the 21st row. Well, we have used a new type of selector called div image greater than H2. We call it a child combinator. That part means that the color of the letters of the H2 tag inside the div image class should be changed. Definitely, this H2 tag should be a child tag of this div image class. Only if that happens, the CSS code we have provided will work. I am going to the index page now. Look, since the little we created is directly inside this div image, we can use the child combinator to style this title. Now click the refresh icon in the previously opened preview window. Look, now the color of the title we entered has changed.